Hello guys, welcome. Today we'll be looking at LITECOIN. It's called ltcminer.com. How does it work? All you just need to do is to come to this very site to mine for free. How do you mine for free? The first thing you just need to do is to register. If you register successfully and keep visiting the site to keep mining. Before I dive into this deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. You can see what I have gotten here in equivalent. This is LTC. How much LTC worth now in the crypto space market? LTC worth over 100 USDT. And the moment you register on this very site, you can see, congratulations, you have received a 10 USDT bonus and it is already available in your balance LTC. So the 10 USDT LTC in equivalent is this 0.09410, which is already above what? It's already above 10 USDT now, because this is what I was given in LTC equivalent 0.093, and now it has been what? It has been increased to 0.094. You know why? It's not much because I just started. Okay, I just started, which is why it's not much. I'm going to drop the referral link of this very video. I'll drop the referral link of this very video at the descriptive section. So of this very site, yeah, at the descriptive section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up. Do not forget, if you sign up immediately, you're going to earn what? You're going to earn 10 USDT, which will be 0.093 in LTC equivalent. Okay, so how do you register? It's actually users friendly. Okay, you can withdraw this. Here you can check your account. You can as well log out if you wish to log out. Okay, if you want to withdraw, first thing you just need to do, you need to enter your verified PIN, because a PIN is going to be sent to you. Okay, if the PIN was not sent to your WhatsApp, then you can apply again. But if it was sent, you can just go on. You can go on to verify the code. If you don't have it yet, you can click on the new PIN to continue. Okay, so working here is actually very simple. All you just need to do is your smartphone, your data, and your time. Your data, which is the network connection, is highly vital. Okay, this does not have much to show, but you must understand that this really pays. You can go out, or you can opt into a paid version. Your current version is what? LTC Miner V1. You can look at it. LTC Miner V1, which is free. Okay, which is free. So what do I earn per day? Which is the question. What do I earn per day? What I can earn per day is 0.02 LTC. What do I earn per minute? 0.0012344015 LTC is what I can earn per minute. Okay, find a plan that's right for you. Cloud mining is greatly suited for novice miners who would likely to try out mining and earning cryptocurrency, as well as seasoned miners. So as a novice, you can do this, and as a seasoned miners, you can also do this. Okay, all right, so you can see in the basic version you can make 2 withdrawals a day. If you want to upgrade, you can buy 0.1 LTC to upgrade. Okay, that is what you just need to do if you want to upgrade. So if you want to upgrade, just sign up there. Okay. And one of the most fascinating thing about this again is that it has a referral program. It has an affiliate program which can give you up to 20% bonus. You can say. Let's go to others. In standard version 1.3, affiliate is 30%. In premium version 1.4, you earn 5 LTC per day, which is much. Affiliate percent is 50%. Great. Okay, so advantage to choosers. They are security wisely. Daily payments, you can take your phone daily. Support is 247. And equipment. Okay, but I actually do not advise you to go ahead to what? To go ahead to purchase any version now. Start from the basic, which is the free mining, and see what you can earn out in the nearest time or in the nearest future. It is a Litecoin miner with fully automatic process. Every process here is automatic. All you just need to do is simple. Just sign up, stay in the free basics, or in the advanced sessions, or in the advanced version. Everything is automatic. If you're in the advanced version, just pay. If you just pay, everything is automatic. It will keep doing it by itself. All right. If you are the free version also, it will also keep doing it by itself. So I'll be dropping my referral link at the description section. Use it to sign up, and let's keep doing this together. Okay. So this slide brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.